Hi, this is Solomon Raj from the Department of Computer Science and Technology. This is my sixth experiment of database. This one is creation of other database objects. Its aim is to implement, to manipulate the scheme objects for the given furniture company database using about views index sequence. Description is that in a database management system, a view is a way of portraying information in the database. So indexing is a data structure technique to efficiently retrieve records from the database files based on some attributes on which the index has been done. Sequence is a feature supported by some database systems to produce unique values and events. So question is that create a view v1 to display the customer name, order ID and quantity. Create or replace view v1 as select customer name, order ID, order quantity from customer order quantity. So we created is 0.31 seconds. So we created select start from v1. So we got customer name with some IDs, order ID, order quantity. So we got 10 rows available there. So next one is create a view v2 to display the order ID, order date, and the date of delivery. Create or replace view v2 as select order ID, order date, as order from order suppliers. So view was created as 0.31 seconds with select from v2. So we got table as order ID, order date, supply data. So we showed maximum 10 rows available with this. And we third question is create a view v3 with customer name, order ID and order date from v1 and v2. We have to show from v1 to v2. Create or replace view v3 as select v1 customer name, v1 order ID, v2 order date from v1 to v2. So v was created as 0.01 seconds was shown below this table at 10 rows. Select from v3. Fourth one is insert a row into the above view. Is the view updatable? If yes is the updation reflected is put in the base table. Create a materialized view sample one for a update as selected from customer. Statement was processed. Insert into sample one values 05 example as Joshua. Submit Brickle Mimi FL 112233. One row is inserted. Table was given like customer ID, customer name, customer address, city, about his state, about his postal code was shown below like this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 names below this one. Delete a row from the above view and state what happens to the other views from which it was created. Delete from customer where customer ID equal to 05. So one row is deleted 0.03 seconds with create a bit map in the index on the gender field of the supply table. Create index generation index on supplier's gender. Index was created. Create a B tree index on the quantity attribute of the order line table and evaluate the performance. Create index in on order quantity. This index was created. Create a sequence in the order ID of the order table. Create sequence order ID sequence increment by 1. So we got this one as a start with 100 maximum value with 200 no cycle no catch. Sequence was created and this was a result of furniture company database has been manipulated using index sequence successfully. This is my sixth one.